What's up, everybody? Chase here with LiberalMind.com, and in today's video I'm going to be going over what your Latte Factor is. So the Latte Factor is from David Bach, a well-renowned best-selling author for his Finish Rich series as well as the Automatic Millionaire and his most recent book, The Latte Factor. David first talks about the Latte Factor in his book, The Automatic Millionaire, when he had an experience when he's helping a woman figure out where all of her money is going and why she does not have enough money to live as well as invest in her future. So he pretty much helps her determine that she is almost spending money almost every single day on lattes and breakfast items such as a sandwich or like some snacks all before lunch. So if you can imagine just spending almost $10 on coffee, sandwich, and breakfast and like some snacks all before lunch, that $10 adds up to almost $3,650 a year just before lunch. And if you can imagine if you were to do that 2 more times and spend $30 a day on just food items in general and not anything else, that adds up to almost $11,000. So if you can imagine using that money or for whatever it may be, helping you guys live, pay for other things like bills, pay for a new vacation. The Latte Factor is solely based on consumer behavior and is different for each and every person. So for most women out there, it might be coffee and some breakfast items or food in the mornings, or it might be for men like energy drinks or soda. In some other breakfast items. Whatever you guys spend money on, ultimately all that stuff adds up over the long run. So if you spend money on those things like almost every single day, those all add up, and especially if you think about it over the long run, over a year, that's X amount of money, almost close to $11,000 if you're spending $30 a day just on some small things that you might not be aware of. So that's why I'm making this video today, is to kind of help you guys be aware of where most of you guys' money is going. Obviously, you do not think about the small things you buy because it's not a big deal. But if you look at it from a standpoint over the long run, it is and it becomes a big deal. I'm not saying go out and be frugal and stop buying coffee. Just look for other ways to determine where you can cut back. So if that's coffee, go to the store and buy bulk coffee and spend 20 cents on coffee a day compared to $3.50 or $4 going to Starbucks and spending other money on food for breakfast and stuff like that. So obviously, wherever you go, a convenience store, coffee shop, all those things in places are going to be a lot more expensive compared to if you were to do it yourself. What David Bach talks about in those books, the Latte Factor is a big thing to determine where most of you guys' money is going, and you can ultimately flip that around and use it to benefit you. You can take that money from the Latte Factor and save money, and then use it to fund things that can also produce your money or certain experiences that you want to have and are just not able to afford. And use the Latte Factor pretty much to your advantage if it was to build your asset column up in order to make more passive money each and every month. So if you can use that Latte Factor money, figure out where most of your money is going, and then what you're spending it on, and kind of cut back. That's the whole point of this video, is to help you guys save money today and figure out where most of you guys' money is going. So I hope I encourage you guys to take a look at where most of you guys' money is going. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, and definitely leave a comment below. And I want to hear what you guys are spending money on and what your guys' Latte Factor is. If it's for coffee, soda, going out to expensive restaurants, gas, whatever it may be. Comment below what you spend the most money on that you did not realize today. Leave a comment below and then go ahead and like and share this video. You can help someone right away saving money and making more money, because it's easier to save and keep your money rather than it is to make money. So that's a big reason why I also created this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit the subscribe button, and that way you're tuned in every day, because that's what I'm shooting for, is to create videos every day with money, my experiences regarding the military, some fun videos, whatever it may be. I'm creating videos almost every single day now. And if you want to be notified, definitely click the subscribe button. And hope you guys have a great day.